yenya images in the Bibrians be show magana for and so emra sarkodie edu kumase enra na enya sem ketokra images in be na o show loss and television edo the padom no ewoma no na eva na me had you kru na mfimfim pa
edum de me say edum na ekowie ba me stop it random enye say yenim say ye ko ha omo de me ko apartment akoda na me say da be dem fa krom kakra nti bebi a me gyenjan ni bebi a menim ho
okay
kamia me say munja ha na me nante kakra nti edum de menim say ho na last one na ye ko ye
ni pa di achi no
nya sam ketwa ye show kra wo ho nti rapper hole go bia we nyamba no gini din wo ho e hia so beto ticket omo to mumbat me mo nya
anu anu mo nya kakra
e wo ho
and you also the asantehemaa flag no and a go come no
enu say fans na de mame
obi na toma
me yeah
enu time on we na it is a feeling it is saying
it's amazing. It's amazing. You can't I don't take my position for granted, especially say why now people still are interested in what you are doing. Me find say because if is our yard intia but maybe I don't be so me danyamia say ache na yetumi nyama nipa to me door. I don't take it for granted at all. It's very overwhelming still.
Wow. Homecoming no basso rapaholic your homecoming sak no be me ho program na nkasa buboye mu kakra Sunny City plan to say
okay the rapaholic nkasa no I think 13 years ago na your album I launch but na senior ekoye no ekoye ama mini team nyina ka say ye be no album launch Kennedy Dabi yen twaso into 13 years consistently every year be a rapaholic yabakuma sepen but on a very small scale because now me underestimate numbers are ebeba no tie ye royal ameta so bi oba bia kaya na
mekai pa na mo
den kwase nkofo be rim e ko ye ma kopim e gate na no nti na ye nim se be san back but na every year bia no ye hwa na time no it me high a check but finally na so yen san brafie tenintina this time yes and diaba ya fan share rapaholic akra time no because of energy pese put into show no ye ni until the 1st September this 27th for Baba Sports Stadium ya backgrounds ya babe hu opem so my will be a kwama my so ti it just felt right say I was here bibie ni wa e ma hu sesi e kwan nti ene huntina ya san ba fia ye ba be na hyehyɛ bebre ye ba back na ya che no ntumi nye nsa akra de na ye be show ni pani ewie nti ndra na me bedru ende mini media for no e ba hwim meko fie bie ma wasa meko na ochena mini se bedru ba me ma line up no before the day na ye be walk no e ye be start wo Kumasi Mall na fe Thursday aye summit
ochina walk ochina time be walk on time
ochina 6 a.m.
okay
so sorry in temper na 6 a.m. ewo Kumasi Mall honum
okay
ye be walk no ya fa kromene Sack Nation dem try say me ye pese me nua be ma frame ya no pese man kan chen say me bandra me nua be ma Shatawale nti man kan chen na de na
me ana enokra na kame bebisa
a shene pa say na de ntina so fi say me kame ba Friday
unua be ma Shatawale eno honi hia me pa unua be ma Shatawale
no pe say ade na kame pa na we gwa me say ade ntina say me nkwan be re ma onka ho nti me bon pa say so betu be kan say nda na ochina na say walk no betu aka ye ho a
Yes, konya flight enyumria.
No ho djuma na e di nti no walk no yochina na a Thursday a be summit to called the Kumasi Rising Music, Media and Tourism Dialogue.
Okay.
Me amini aba sewa me here na be hosti. Wo hono KNUST.
Okay.
KNUST. To share flyer na me tweet you be who information ya also.
Okay.
Yeah, original minister be wo ba be kasa nti and also no talking about the creative industry. Nti Thursday no. Then Friday no me nya bochia ya me rehearsal so me BBA with band no. Then Saturday is D-Day.
Wow. Nti program line up no eno no. Na manfo ebisa wo de shatter di abamu. Says one shatter neba shatter beba be kan ho ne artist omoba wine.
I know she pa just me kan the obe kan bit me aboa ne ye fan say ye the Ghana nyumtofo ni aba Kumasi because e ka say ye kan a dos ye bebo Bobby when you did Kashata ye the Jackie ye the Skyface or say Chrome Sikeni Kofi Kenata Kweku Smoke YP Olive the Boy Kweku Flake B Strap J Bad Efia Medical Reggie Slim Kid Kwesi Ameuga Kofi Jama Laled Last Made Donzi Edoso. And there's our surprises. On the I mean personable.
We in surprises.
Surprises for her. No, no, me and Kasa personal people are not. Person who be about me, I'm me squad beer and penny phobia. Me person home. Into no more the mobile surprise guest. Intend them more and no bear icing on the cake. The amamona with me Germany.
Yes, stadium be massive. Because lineup we are there by the. It is a team band lineup.
Team Bang.
Sake Team Bang. We are team band lineup.
Not me now for be watch Chelsea. It's no ko beginning. But at the team akoma che ya na a man can be bisa me baby before Frako. But me knew who Ghana air boy and I'm a comedian. Ghana film my dear cano. Me young from Hunkura baby auntie. I feel I'm very free.
Jafina Opetim. I have read your Motashi.
Okay.
Why?
Oh no, for why?
Me Hosana, you know. Me show moi.
To why, Utimi why?
O Mama Shanam Takopa.
Do okay. Okay.
And no, sarkodie. The best in Africa, the GOAT, Ewoha, Nyami Adoma Rapaholic, homecoming Baso, Ewo Babayara Sports Stadium, Nyami Adoma tonight walk 6 a.m. Ewo Kumasi City More, started. Mr. Ubia and Fan Pabwa, Novafa, Ubibia, the Betimia Joge, Sack Edi Animu, Ubia, Ekahu, not just say a question to the Pomas and programs and a canina, and so etimi atwaso. Na Yedidi, a young commono, Yemiso Copim so, Emma Opimso, Yetisian and I can say, Unyambra, and Ka Obepese and Kobeba. Nebe asem kesiye pa Diana wati since then wati bibia free manshia se open so betime nya kwanya ba
so MC if you want chip ya na news na ye ni I expect in my busia yako eni kumasemai asantehemaa nyina se asantehemaa Ephraim inti hono mananka me promo kwana me for sure na yedin because how to even promote it, and I almost paused it. We almost cancelled the show, but we still had to go on and do it. At this point, I don't think I'm in a position to say me could be something so
because
when you're my insurance, that to me is enough. But hopefully, it drew on I reach out to I feel na benya ho kwan dia.
Okay. When we say Africa, we are baby sarkodie the past 15-20 years in here. Where you know now so sa mami misao after 13 years and I decided so be fee. I didn't know 20 or 13 years I didn't ma number 13 and you do your decided so fee obebe fee a very rapaholic no.
And the mechanic say sina na me peno. Sina na me pese ye no. Nya say e beba na e be show bi akeke. I will say yeah nyama bebre no it takes a lot. They say no funny say me team near the equipment I'll be now some of the best stages are Mount or Africa will be this Rapaholic Saturday, and to be able to do that it takes a lot. Accra different to get vendors is here and there, but Kumasi takes a lot planning, a lot of planning that went into it. I wouldn't say just that because 13 years don't mean planning for 13 years. Some of the years I can say then but this year there was every box ticked. So you don't have no excuse than to make it here.
Obviously me say I didn't know my consistency.
The love
OG no one but to be consistent and then now any different bebre hwebi bebre ti obi timi be boba akwa later on bia you huni biem those or moba no then now any different
I know the overall no na me nimba say obisa nipa ni so na obisa me a cause nsem we am tight I was say me am dwen ho na me bisa me ho say e dey ntia etumi sesa me reasons to Mrs. Abba bisa me sisi am te ha na make us the love for what I do. Inti odo adeɛ pa bibia wom bia no you embrace it, whether criticism, not having a good year, when your man hates it for 5 years, you still love it. Inti no, if you are consistent, success still finds you along the line. But if you are bimbu and possible say you may even nyam kwa what on idea or shop or radio so video time be so when we came see away sad not to na ebu abema. That means you didn't really love what you were doing, because me start me to no na nyese me sarkodie ntina na me to say mon so me so enye no hundia enwuma nkasa ye me de me try ye me de me release ya nti bitumi ya nyumbi adwen ba because be mbo radio, but because me panyum na me ye nti me ye na me de ato ho nti em so ye ne saa adwuma bia no pe na ye de ti bo na wo bo se de na wo ye na adwuma na ye wo da the bc bia nipa mbo we ni age, and your energy is what keeps you going. So to me, I think simply it has to do with say adie na ye wo de ope pa and ebema with my consistent
obede ayesak and say dey ayete sanjum we fama me na ye nyina ye hu say nyame ye obi api sana meka no maminti kakra